How does applied behavior analysis improve the life for those with autism? The goal is to increase behaviors that are helpful and decrease behaviors that are harmful or affect learning. That is what the goal of ABA is. But why did I choose ABA? So I am currently a registered behavior technician, also known as an RBT, and I'm working at a pediatric facility. I'm personally helping with ages 0 to 18, although ABA is used for all ages. At this time, I'm also going to point out that I am currently wearing my Ally Pediatric shirt as my third representation. How does ABA work to improve the life for those with autism? Now, ABA is therapy through play, and it works to improve social skills, communication, reading, academics, as well as adaptive learning skills, fine motor, hygiene, grooming, and domestic capabilities. A very large part of what I do as an RBT and working with ABA is helping the clients or students generalize skills. This is a very hard task often for those with autism. A perfect example of generalizing skills would be overgeneralizing the male and female roles. So if I had a client that was calling me mom, therefore they would be overgeneralizing the female role, and I work to help that. Another aspect I would like to briefly go over is extinction. Extinction is putting certain tasks on hold or completely putting them on extinction where you no longer want that to be part of their program. Now, how does ABA work? Positive reinforcement, that is the number one. Positive reinforcement is praise following a correct behavior. This is also known to motivate the client and can be used as that motivation tool. As you can see, I put 2 images in. These are 2 of the most used by me with my clients as positive reinforcement. M&Ms and the iPad. A lot of kids love working hard for that YouTube time, and then some others may work hard for a little sweet treat like an M&M. Now, as I was researching, I was looking for that quote-unquote proof, but I came across Cambridge Center for Behavior Studies. They have 3 points that they have proven. ABA does not cure all children with autism. It works as a therapeutic base to help improve. Second, ABA has not been compared to other treatments. It is very unique to itself. And research has not yet identified, whose benefits most from ABA intervention. So whether that is the family or the student, the client itself, it has not been identified who benefits the most, especially since it is also a very community-based. It helps with those generalizing outside in the community and interact to the best of their ability. Now, graphs and charts are also used as a measurable way to track progress in ABA. I work a lot with bar graphs and scatter plots in my field. Right here is just an example of a chart made for frequency of hitting. If you look in there, it also has hitting and biting. And that right there, that graph is just within 1 day's worth of data. You can see it slowly declining, meaning that that problem behavior is improving. Now, applied behavior analysis is a type of therapy that can greatly improve the life for those with autism. That is why I am so passionate about my field, and I would just really wanted to share it with you guys. Thank you, and have a good one.